Okay, so today reaction between the metals and the non-metals. So that day we discussed everything electronic configuration, and now you both are familiar with the electronic configuration. Any doubt? Okay. Next is next is the properties of ionic compound. So what is the property of ionic compound? There are four total properties. First is the physical nature. That day we discussed here, but you was not there. Second is the melting and boiling point, solubility, and the conduction of electricity. So, what is the physical nature? Physical nature means that the ionic compound are hard crystalline solids because of strong force of attraction between the positive and negative ions. So we all know that solid is having a strong force of attraction between them. That's why they can't move here and there. They can only vibrate in their fixed position. है ना? So here, with the help of the positive and the negative ions, what is happening? There's a strong force of attraction of a hard, this is a hard crystalline solid. Okay, and these compounds are generally brittle and break into pieces when pressure is applied. So same for solid as well. When we are applying any pressure in the solid, it will break, but if and only if the external force is applied. This is also same as solid. Now, what is the melting and boiling point? So these compounds have high melting and boiling point as large amount of energy is released to break a strong intermolecular attraction. So here, if I have to break these plus and minus signs, so what we like, there's a large amount of heat which is required to break a positive and a negative ions. Okay? So so it is having a high melting as well as boiling point. Second is solubility. So these compounds are soluble in water which is a polar solvent, and insoluble in organic solvents which is a non-polar. So polar is what? Polar is a water, and all the organic solvents which are non-polar solvents. So what is the example of a non-polar solvents like kerosene, benzene, ether, petrol? Hmm. Water is polar in nature and it helps in what? It helps in the separation of the plus and minus ions. So this is the solubility. Now conduction of electricity. They are a good conductors of electricity. Okay? So what is the properties of ionic compound? First, the physical nature means they are very hard crystalline solid. They'll have a very strong force of attraction between them. They can only be break if external pressure is applied. Melting and boiling point is very high as large amount of energy is required to break this ions, plus and minus ions. Third is solubility. It is soluble in both water, which is a polar solvent, and one more, which is a non-polar solvent, for example, your kerosene, benzene, ether, or petrol. Conduction of electricity, they are very good conductor of electricity. Okay? Now moving to the next topic, which is a occurrence of metals. So what is occurrence of metals? Here it's written the earth crust is a major source of metals. Earth is what? Earth crust is a major source of metals. In earth, we found we can find lots and lots of metals inside our earth. Seawater also contains soluble salts like sodium chloride, which is your salt, NaCl, magnesium chloride, MgCl2. So seawater is also containing various type of salts, and our earth, see, earth crust is having various types of metals, and your seawater contains various types of salts. For example, sodium chloride, magnesium chloride. ठीक है? So now the elements or the compounds. which occur naturally in the earth crust are known as minerals. So inside our earth, we used to find lots and lots of what? Minerals. And they are used for various different purposes. And those minerals from which metals can be extracted profitably are known as ores. So the minerals which can be extracted from that particular metal are known as ores. ORES. Okay, so now you tell me what is element or what is compound. What is the difference between elements or compound? Element and compound. Ria will tell me element and Shazan will tell me the compound. Tell Shazan what is compound.
First element is there.
Hmm?
First element is there.
Acha, tell me what is element.
Um, element Elements are found naturally.
It's okay,
Uh,
Ria.
Elements are found naturally in their natural state, like zinc,
Hmm.
aluminum, lead. These are elements, and compounds are a mixture of one or two or more elements.
Yes, that are compounds. So what is occurrence of metals? You got it? Here, the Earth's crust is a major source of metals, which consist of lots of metals, and your seawater consists of sodium chloride and magnesium chloride. Elements or compounds which occur naturally in the Earth's crust are known as minerals, and the minerals which can be extracted from that metal are called ores. Hmm. Now, next, what is extraction of metals? Oh, 1 minute. Huh. So, what is extraction of metals? How we can extract minerals from metals? So, the process of obtaining pure metal from its ore are known as extraction of metals. What is the process? The process of obtaining a pure metal from ores. If we obtain a pure metal, अगर हमें pure metal मिल रहा है from ores, so that is known as the extraction of metals. We are extracting a metal from ores which are pure. Some metals are found in earth crust in free state while some are found in the form of compounds. So in the earth crust, some metals are found in a free state. For example, in the state of elements, and some are found in the form of compounds, a mixing of two or more elements to form a compound. The metals present at the bottom of the reactivity series are the least reactive that we already know. In the between, there's a hydrogen. Upper is the most reactive, and the lowest hydrogen is the least reactive metals. So the bottom of the reactivity series are least reactive, so they are found in a free state. The least reactive metals are found in a free state in the earth crust. And the process of obtaining the metals from the ore is known as the extraction of metals. For example, gold, silver, platinum, and copper. These are the least reactive metals which we can found in the in like below hydrogen. ठीक है तो वो सब किस स्टेट में फाउंड होता है दे आर फाउंड इन द फ्री स्टेट copper and silver are also found in the form of combined state as they are sulfide they can also be found in the form of a compound or a free state और जो टॉप सीरीज में होता है लाइक पोटेशियम सोडियम मैग्नीशियम दे आर वेरी हाईली रिएक्टिव so they are not found in nature as free elements they are not found as a free state they are always found in the form of compounds so the least reactive are found in the free state and the highly reactive are not found in the free state okay once again we'll go through this first is occurrence of metal so metal is what in the earth's crust, we used to find a lot of metals. In the sea, water, we used to find a lots of soluble salts, which are sodium and magnesium chloride. The elements, or we can say the compounds, which occur naturally in the earth crust, are known as minerals. And the minerals which we can extract from the metals are known as ores. Okay? And what is the extraction of metals? We already know how we can extract. So the process is known as the ores. ठीक है. And the metals which are found in the bottom, they are found in a free state, which are least reactive, and the highly reactive, which are not found as a free state. Now, the metals in the middle of the reactivity series are moderately reactive, and they are found as oxides, sulfides, carbonates in the earth crust. Ores of many metals are oxide, and oxygen is very reactive as they are abundant on the earth. And the middle metals, which are zinc, Fe, and Pb. So they are what? They are very, they are not highly or they are very least reactive. They are moderately reactive, and they are found in the reactive element. Okay. So this is divided into three of the categories: metals, which will have a low reactivity, high reactivity, and a medium reactivity. Now, this is a diagram of ore. So ore is divided into three types. The concentration of ore is divided into three types: high, medium, and low. Now, high reactivity is divided into two types: electrolysis and then the pure metal. So this you have to remember. I will ask this in the next class. Metal of medium reactivity is divided into two types: carbonate ore and sulfide ore. This is calcination and this is roasting. Okay.
Ma'am, can I
What
take
happened here? Go. And the metals of low reactivity is divided into again three types: sulfide ores, roasting metals, and refining. Okay. Now, now we will learn what is enrichment of ores. But firstly, you have to give me the answer of some question. Let her come. So now, tell me, um, what is ores? Anybody?
Ma'am, ores are minerals which are found and explain again, ma'am.
No, no, not explain again. You tell me. You both are not listening to me. Ria, you are chatting somewhere else. Phone is visible. No, fine. But whatever. So ores is the minerals.
Found in
The,
the earth's crust.
the minerals from which the metal, अरे जिस मेटल से मिनरल्स एक्सट्रैक्ट हो रहा है उसको बोल रहे हैं ओर्स. ठीक है. मिनरल्स from which metals can be extracted. This mineral से metal we can easily extract. Those are known as ores. Extraction of minerals. Extraction of minerals are what? The process where we can easily obtain the pure metal. जहाँ से we can easily obtain a pure metal from ore are known as the extraction. These two sentences are just the ulta of each other. Okay. And acha, tell me how many processes are there? Like the metals can be classified into how many types?
Three.
What are they? Hmm? Not listening, na? Shazan,
Yes, ma'am.
how many types?
Three also.
So what are they? Tell me na the name.
The rest, ma'am, I'm not very clear about it.
Ria, you tell me.
high, medium, low?
Hmm. Highly, medium and low, yes. Shizan, ध्यान कहाँ है तुम्हारा? Don't study. Okay. No, no, now you don't laugh. So it is divided into three types: low, medium, and high. And in the next class, I'll listen this diagram and then only I'll start the next topic. This diagram, course one. Okay? You can draw it right now so that you can remember ki acha I have to tell ma'am. Draw right now. Ria, you also. No, no, don't take picture, Ria. Draw it. Tell me the reactivity series. I asked you to learn now, both of you. So tell me. What Shazan?
Give just 2 minutes to revise.
Ria, you know this reactivity series? Have you learned this? Why no? Why no? Acha, note it down. Tomorrow, I mean on Monday, I'll ask both the diagrams. This one and that one. Next, which assignment class is there? Shazan, now which assignment class is there?
Physics is there.
Hmm?
Physics.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Can you just give 2 minutes? I will revise and tell you right now. All of them. Without seeing.
Both the diagrams.
What, ma'am?
Both the diagrams.
No, only this one. The other one I have to learn.
Okay, 5 minutes. Not 10 minutes, only five. You also, Ria, revise it.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Now you both tell me one by one. First, Ria will tell, after that. Ria, tell me. Reactivity series. And close your copy. Hmm. Close your notebook, Ria.
And I didn't memorize it that nicely.
What?
Ma'am, I didn't memorize it.
So I gave you 5 minutes to memorize only, na? What were you doing at that time?
I was
I gave
I didn't do
what?
it nicely, ma'am.
It's okay, tell me.
Um, ma'am,
Hmm.
potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, iron, um, tin, lead, zinc,
Okay. Suzanne, your turn.
everything.
Potassium, sodium,
Hmm.
potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum, zinc, iron, tin, lead, hydrogen, copper, mercury, silver, and gold.
Okay. Good. Now in the next class, that diagram. Okay? Course one. This one.
Okay. Ma'am hasn't joined yet. If you want, we can begin for more 5 minutes. We'll learn that.
No, no. Take your time and learn. This is a very big diagram. In the next class,
Fine, I'm good at
I will
learning.
listen both. Okay, Ria? Both the diagrams. reactivity series, and concentration of force. Okay? Okay. And on Monday, I will start this new topic, which is enrichment of ores. After that, how many topic is left? This extraction of metals left. Um, Refining is left. Prevention. Lots of topics are there. But first, you have to learn this diagram. Okay? Any doubt? Shazan, you?
No, it's okay. No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay then. Bye.